हेलो बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हैं? आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक हैं। टुडे बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर लेट मी आस्क यू ए क्वेश्चन. If someone asks you for something that is very dear to you, then what will you do? Will you give them their request or will you deny them? Well, that depends on what they are asking, right? But here is a person called Mahadani Karna. He was especially good at giving. So that's why he was called Mahadani Karna. That is the great giver Karna and Danveer Karna. That is the very generous Karna. So let us go through this mind map. Here we have Mahadani Karna, which is the name of the lesson, chapter 12, the great giver. So he was Dani, very generous. He was the son of Surya Dev. Surya Dev ke putra is son. And he had donated his armor and earrings, kavach or kundal dan. Then Varun Dev or Indra Dev. So these Varun Dev is the god of oceans and Indra Dev is the god of rain. So these both are going to test Karna. So we will see in this lesson. Sone ke daant ka daan. Then finally Karna donates his golden tooth. So we are going to see this Natak, the drama, which is also a drama in Mahabharata. It is a mythological story which you can also go through. Let us go through the meanings. Apatti is etras, that is objection. Irsha is jalan, that is jealousy. Chadma bhesh means badla hua bhesh, that is to go in disguise. Vivash, majboor, helpless. Apavitra means ganda, that is unholy. Stuti means prashansa or praise. So let me explain to you this lesson. Karna, this is baby Karna. He was born with armor or kavach and he was the son of Surya Dev. Surya Dev ka beta tha, putra tha. And he was also born with earrings. It was attached to his body since birth. And he was very good at giving. He was a very generous person. Karna was a very generous person. So once what happened? Indradev came disguised as a beggar and asked. He was jealous of Karna. So he asked, you have to give me your kavach, that is your armor. So I have put red here. So as he took out his kavach, what happened? It's attached to his body. So he is bleeding. So like that I have showed. So he donated his kavach, his armor and earrings both to Indradev. Then what happened? Indra god knew that if Mahadani Karna had his armor and kundal, he could never be wounded and die on the battlefield. He will never die on the battlefield. So he asked for his kavach and earrings. And his jealousy towards Karna didn't subside. He again made plans to get something else from Karna, because everybody used to praise Karna that he is Mahadani Karna, the great giver, and Mahadani and Danveer Karna, that means he was a very generous Karna. So he was jealous always. He was fed up of listening to all these praises of Karna. So what he did? Again he made a plan. This time he called his friend Varun Dev. Now Indra Dev is the god of clouds or rain and Varun Dev is god of oceans. So they both got together and made a plan. So now they are making the plan. See, this is the clouds. So it's showing that Indra Dev is the god of rain and Varun Dev is god of ocean. So he called Varun Dev to his garden and said, come, let us go and test Karna once again. He is already on his deathbed in the battle of Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is the battle which was of Mahabharata. So he is almost on the verge of dying. Let us go and denounce his name, that is called Danveer Karna. Let us see what else he has to give. Already he has given his kavach and kundal. So now we see this Karna, he is almost on the verge. He has got wounded. Ghayal ho gaya hai Karna and is on the verge of dying. So then Varun Dev and Indra Dev, they come disguised as beggars. So come disguised. they changed their form as beggars. So Varun is the god of ocean, so I have made this ocean. Indra is the god of rain, so I have made this rain, so you can see. So now they are coming and asking, please, because of this war we couldn't get even one grain of food, can you please give us something? So Karna says that I don't have anything, you see, you can see my condition, I am already helpless, मैं विवश हूँ, मेरे पास मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. So then what happened? So Varun Dev says, oh, so that means that it will be proved wrong, everybody calls you Mahadani Karna, Danveer Karna, so today it will be proved wrong, you cannot give anything. So he said, okay, do one thing, can you please give me this stone? पत्थर क्या आप दे सकते हैं? Then Indradev is saying, oh no no no, it is stained with blood and it is on the battlefield, we cannot touch anything unholy, कुछ भी अपवित्र चीज हम हाथ नहीं लगा सकते. Then Karna said, okay, ठीक है. Then what he does, he hits his mouth on the wheel of the chariot and his golden tooth falls off. Then he offers this golden tooth to these beggars. Then again they say, chi 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 chi, no 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 no, we don't want this golden tooth, it is stained with blood, वो खून से सना हुआ है, हमको नहीं चाहिए, हम कोई अपवित्र चीज़ पे हाथ नहीं लगाते. So what did he do? Again he shot an arrow and water gushed out from somewhere and he washed this tooth and then again he offered. Then they said, नहीं नहीं, हम ये अब नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि सूरज अस्त हो चुका है, the sun has already set. Then Karna, he starts looking at the sky and he prays, oh sun god, you are my father, please today hear my prayer. So as he prays, what happens? The sun comes out of the cloud. तो बादलों की ओट से सूरज निकल आता है and then that means they are ready to accept. So then that day, then Indra and Varun says, Varun Dev, they say to Karna, oh, you are such a blessed person, truly, whatever people have said about you, it's true. Today we came to know that it is really you are Mahadani and Danveer. So we bless you that until the creation remains, you will always be called Mahadani Karna and Danveer Karna. So that is our blessing to you. And the gods also will praise you. So this was the lesson, children. Let us go through the chapter line by line. Chapter 12, Mahadani Karna. ये एक नाटक है. It's a drama and it is on page 88. दानशीलता महान गुण है. It's a generosity is a great attribute. कर्णवीर साहसी योद्धा होने के साथ साथ दानी भी थे. So Karna, he was brave and courageous and even a warrior. And not only that, he was very generous. जीवन के अंतिम क्षण तक दान देकर कर्ण महादानी के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुए. So till the end of his life, अंतिम is end time of his life, he donated and like that he was called Mahadani Karna. He was famous. प्रसिद्ध is famous as Mahadani Karna. पहला दृश्य, first scene. इंद्र, देवराज इंद्र अपने उपवन में टहलते हुए सोच रहे हैं. सो देवराज इज द रूलर ऑफ द गॉड्स. देवराज इंद्र इज टेकिंग अ वॉक इन हिज गार्डन एंड इज थिंकिंग. इंद्र, नाउ इंद्र इज टॉकिंग टू हिमसेल्फ. यह अच्छा अवसर है कर्ण को नीचा दिखाने का. दिस इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पुट डाउन कर्ण. सभी कर्ण की प्रशंसा करते रहते हैं. एवरीवन कीप्स प्रेजिंग कर्ण. आज कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में पड़ा वह अंतिम सांसें ले रहा है. टुडे इन द बैटल फील्ड ऑफ कुरुक्षेत्र ही इज टेकिंग हिज लास्ट ब्रेथ. दानवीर कर्ण, महादानी कर्ण, सुन सुनकर मेरे कान पक गए. सो दानवीर कर्ण, महादानी कर्ण, आई एम फेड अप ऑफ लिसनिंग टू इट अगेन एंड अगेन. आज उसके पास देने को कुछ भी नहीं. टुडे ही डजंट हैव एनीथिंग लेफ्ट टू डोनेट. देखते हैं वह दान में क्या दे पाता है. लेट अस सी व्हाट कैन ही डोनेट नाउ. अपने मित्र वरुण को साथ ले लेता हूँ. I'll take my friend Varun along with me. Varun is the god of the ocean. सूर्य और वरुण एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाते रहते हैं. सूर्य एंड वरुण कीप इंसल्टिंग ईच अदर. नीचा दिखाते रहते. सूर्य पुत्र कर्ण के विरुद्ध कार्य करने में उसे कोई आपत्ति ना होगी. So he won't object to work against Karna, who is the son of Surya. Son, Surya putra is son of sun, son, Surya. ताली बजाते हुए. Claps his hands. सेवक उपस्थित होता है. His servant appears. इंद्र. Now Indra is saying, जाओ शीघ्र ही वरुण देव को बुला लाओ. Go immediately and call वरुण देव. कहना मैं उपवन में उनकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा हूँ. Say that I am waiting for him in the garden. Now वरुण प्रवेश करते हुए एंटरिंग. कहिए देवराज, आज अचानक मुझे क्यों बुलवाया है और वो भी इतनी जल्दी? What is it देवराज? He is talking to Indra god. Today suddenly why did you call me that too urgently? इंद्र. वरुण, कर्ण की दानप्रियता से तो तुम परिचित हो. वरुण, you are acquainted with the generosity of Karna. देवता भी उसकी वीरता और उदारता की कहानियाँ कहते नहीं थकते. The gods also don't get tired of speaking about his stories of bravery and generosity. हमें स्वयं उससे ईर्ष्या होती है. Even I myself am tired and jealous of him. वरुण, तो फिर? So then, इंद्र. वरुण, आज कर्ण कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में घायल अवस्था में पड़ा है. घायल is wounded. वरुण, today Karna is lying in the battlefield of Kurukshetra in a wounded condition. वह बहुत दीन और करुण स्थिति में है. He is in a very sorry and pathetic state. चलो आज भिक्षा मांगकर उसकी परीक्षा लेते हैं. Come, today let's test him by asking him alms. वरुण प्रसन्न होते हुए, showing happiness. हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं, यह अच्छा अवसर है. Yes, why not? This is a good opportunity. अवसर is opportunity. अपने कवच और कुंडल तो वह पहले ही दान में दे चुका है. He has already donated his armor and his earrings. Kundal is earrings, kavach is armor which protects a soldier from getting wounded from the attacks of the enemy. That is kavach or armor. अब उसके पास देने को और है ही क्या? Now what else is remaining for him to donate? इंद्र, पर इस भेष में हम नहीं जाएंगे. हमें छद्म भेष में जाना होगा. But we won't go in this dress or form. We will have to disguise ourselves. वरुण देव, ठीक है, हम छद्म भेष में ही जाएंगे. Okay, we will disguise ourselves and go to कर्ण देव. दूसरा दृश्य, second scene, युद्ध भूमि. This is the battlefield, scene of the battlefield. सूर्य अस्त हो रहा है. द सन इज सेटिंग. घायल सैनिकों के कराहने की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. द क्राई ऑफ वुंडेड सोल्जर्स कैन बी हर्ड. कर्ण अपने रथ के समीप पड़े हैं. कर्ण इज लाइंग नियर द व्हील्स ऑफ हिज चैरियट. खून की धारा बह रही है. बेहोश से हैं. ब्लड इज फ्लोइंग लाइक ए रिवर. कर्ण इज इन ऑलमोस्ट अनकॉन्शियस स्टेट. दो व्यक्तियों का दीन अवस्था में प्रवेश. टू पीपल अपीयर इन अ लोली पुअर कंडीशन. इंद्र, महाराज कर्ण की जय. नाउ दे हैव disguised themselves as beggars. You can see the picture on this page 90. महाराज कर्ण की जय. They are asking, they are telling, long live Maharaj Karna. Now Varun is saying, he is also acting like a beggar. महादानी महावीर कर्ण की जय हो. Long live the great giver, the great warrior. कर्ण नेत्र खोलते हुए, opening his eyes. कौन? अरे आप कौन? प्रणाम, मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार करें. Who? अरे हु आर यू? प्रणाम, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट माई वेल विशेस। इंद्र, यशस्वी हो, मे यू बी रिनाउंड एंड फेमस। वरुण देव, गौरवशाली हो, दानवीर कर्ण, हम दो निर्धन प्राणी हैं। मे यू बिकम ग्लोरियस, दानवीर कर्ण, वी आर टू पुअर बींग्स। सुबह से इधर उधर भटक रहे हैं। सिंस मॉर्निंग वी आर वॉन्डरिंग हियर एंड देयर। युद्ध के कारण अन्न का दाना तक भिक्षा में नहीं मिला। वी couldn't get even a grain because of this war. आपकी दान प्रियता की कहानियाँ लोक परलोक में प्रसिद्ध हैं। The stories about your love for giving and kindness is not only famous in this world but also in the other world. परलोक is other world, that is the heaven. प्रसिद्ध is famous. आप हमारी कुछ सहायता कीजिए. Please help us with anything. Now Karna, he talks to the beggars. आप मेरी अवस्था देख ही रहे हैं, आप ही कहिए, मैं इस घायल अवस्था में आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? मैं विवश हूँ। You are already seeing my condition. In this wounded condition, what service can I do? सेवा is service. What can I do you? मैं विवश हूँ. I am helpless. So these are two beggars. They have Karna is wounded. So he is lying almost unconscious near his chariot. He is wounded in this battle of Kurukshetra. इंद्र मुस्कुराते हुए स्माइलिंग, तो क्या आज यह बात असत्य सिद्ध होगी कि कर्ण के सामने आया कोई भिक्षुक खाली हाथ नहीं लौटा? So today this saying that nobody returns empty handed from Karna, will it prove wrong? Lota is returned. Bhikshuk is beggar, खाली हाथ is empty handed. Now Karna replies, कुछ सोचते हुए, after thinking he is replying, क्या आप मुझे वह पत्थर उठा कर देंगे? Can you please give me that stone? पत्थर is stone. It was lying nearby. So he was planning to break his golden tooth with this stone. Varun, आश्चर्य से. So he is astounded. What? क्या हमें पत्थर दोगे? We should give you this stone. कर्ण, आप दें तो सही. Please, give me first. इंद्र, हम किसी अपवित्र वस्तु को हाथ नहीं लगाते, और फिर यह तो युद्ध भूमि में पड़ा मिट्टी और रक्त से सना पत्थर है. We don't touch any unholy thing, and also this mud is of the battlefield and this stone is stained with blood. कर्ण, अच्छा ठहरिए. ओके, प्लीज़ वेट. जीवन के अंतिम समय में किसी की सेवा का अवसर बड़े सौभाग्य से मिलता है. One has to be lucky enough to get an opportunity to serve someone just before dying. घिसटते हुए, dragging himself. अपना मुंह रथ के पहिए पर मारते हैं. कर्ण hits his mouth at the wheel of the chariot. सोने का दांत मुंह से बाहर आ जाता है. His golden tooth falls off his mouth. कर्ण, लीजिए देव. Here you go देव. यह दांत सोने का है. This tooth of mine is a golden tooth. मेरी तुच्छ भेंट स्वीकार करें. Please accept my insignificant gift. इंद्र एंड वरुण, छी छी, रक्त से सना सोना यह हमारे किस काम का है? छी छी, tooth stained with blood, it's of no use to us. So what does Karna do? कर्ण धनुष उठाकर बाण चलाते हैं. He takes his bow and shoots an arrow. पानी की धार निकलती है. उस पानी से कर्ण दांत धोते हैं. So as he shoots his arrow, water gushes out from somewhere, and with that water he washes his tooth. कर्ण दांत देते हुए, offering his tooth. लीजिए महाराज. Take this महाराज. अब तो स्वीकार कीजिए. Now please accept. वरुण, ओह अब तो संध्या हो गई. ओह now it's evening. अब यह हमारे किस काम का? Now this tooth is of no use to us. सूर्य ढलने के बाद हम भिक्षा नहीं लेते. वी डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट आर्म्स आफ्टर सनसेट। कर्ण आकाश की ओर मुंह उठाकर हाथ जोड़कर प्रार्थना करते हुए। नाउ कर्ण ही फेसेस द स्काई, आकाश स्काई, ही जॉइंस हिज हैंड्स एंड प्रेस, प्रार्थना। सूर्यदेव आप मेरे पिता हैं, सूर्यदेव यू आर माई फादर, मेरा अंतिम समय निकट है, माई एंड टाइम इज नियर, कृपा कर मेरे वचन की रक्षा कीजिए, सो प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट एंड ऑनर माई वर्ड्स। सूर्य बादलों की ओट से निकलता है। एज आई शोड यू द पिक्चर, सूर्य सन इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द स्क्रीन, ओट इज स्क्रीन, स्क्रीन ऑफ द क्लाउड्स, बादलों से। इंद्र धन्य हो कर्ण, बी ब्लेस्ड कर्ण। मैं इंद्र हूँ और ये हैं वरुण देव। आई एम इंद्र एंड ही इज़ वरुण देव। हम तुम्हारी परीक्षा ले रहे थे। वी वर टेस्टिंग यू। तुम सचमुच दानवीर हो। यू आर ट्रूली जनरस। तुम्हारे जैसा दानवीर न अब तक पृथ्वी पर हुआ है न होगा। There was none generous like you and there won't be anyone as generous as you in the future. जब तक यह सृष्टि रहेगी लोग तुम्हें दानवीर कर्ण के रूप में स्मरण रखेंगे। As long as this creation remains, everyone will remember, स्मरण is remember you, as दानवीर कर्ण। देवता भी तुम्हारी स्तुति करेंगे। The gods also will sing your praise. यह हमारा आशीर्वाद है। दिस इज़ आवर ब्लेसिंग टू यू। कर्ण प्रसन्न भाव से हाथ जोड़ते हैं। कर्ण जॉइंस हिज हैंड विद द फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। सो चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू लाइक दिस स्टोरी? आपको यह कहानी कैसी लगी? सो अब आप ये पार्ट खुद से पढ़ने की कोशिश करें और कोई डाउट्स हो सो वी विल क्लियर इन आवर ऑनलाइन क्लास। सो टेक केयर, बाय बाय।